We are today in Cologne, and that's where Toyota Motorsport GmbH is based. And this is where we do engines for World Rally Car, and where a lot of horsepower comes from.
Together with TMG and ours together, it's been strengthened since we started, and I think that's the big secret as well why we are so strong.
Because 4 guys based in TMG, they don't see the cars, they don't see the drivers. But Rally Germany is special, so the team can see us, but TMG guys can see the team. And cars today, and hear the noise of engine produced by us. Also to feel that, here we test the engine alone, but we have to see that the engine is part of the car. And this is what we could do today, and I think it was fantastic.
It was some celebration yesterday, last night here with TMC people. It was very good. Good to see them right after the rally, and so now it is time to recover and go forward.